Hi, I'm Bean. Today we have another map of the Soul 7. I originally only got the version 2 just because that was my favorite version. I did an unboxing of that, and because people liked it, I figured I would go ahead and grab version 1 because this is my second favorite and unbox it. So this is the back side. I did get this off of Amazon. When I got version 2, I got it from Hot Topic, like the day that it came out. It looks like the folded poster did come on the outside of it this time. And then I got these little extra photo cards of RM, Jimin, and the group. This is the poster, super pretty. We have V, RM, Jimin, Jungkook, Jin, J-Hope, and Suga. I forgot my scissors, but now let's open it. Just making a hole. Oh, I got Jimin again. I got Jimin's photo card in this version as well. Makes me kind of wish that I kept the version 2, but I traded it with a friend for Jin. Super pretty though. And then we have the notebook. This is the version 1 notes book. All says year 22. And it's like a diary type thing. It's notes from the different members. And then we have the lyric book. I know it's old news, but honestly, this whole album is so iconic. I love every single song on this album. And then we have the special things. We love this juxtaposition. I think I said that last time. And then Jungkook's a little long. Yeah. Then I have my QR code buddy, which I'm probably not going to do anything with. The one in the other album was for the concert. I think you pretty much scan the QR code to get a chance to do like the sound check, barricade, VIP thing or whatever. I definitely entered, but now that the concert isn't a thing anymore, yeah. Big Hit audition, woo, doesn't apply to me. For some reason, every time I see this, I get the urge to like color it, like a little coloring book. And this is a little postcard that I got. The same sticker set once again. And then the moment we've all been waiting for, the actual photo book. And then of course, how could I forget, the actual CD itself. I love the colors of this album. I think it's kind of like, gives me a vintage feeling for some reason. But yeah, let's open the photo book. So this is made with a eco-friendly recycled paper. I didn't realize that, so I was like complaining about the paper in my first unboxing, but now that I know, I think it's actually super cool. So yeah, with this album specifically, like the photos and stuff look a lot better on this paper. With version 2, the photos are quite dark, so that's just something to note. We have J-Hope looking like a whole angel. RM. Suga. So I guess the layout of this book is going to be different, and we're going to get every member sort of in this setting first. But now it actually says Jungkook. So we have Jungkook over here and here. Also featuring Jin and Jimin, looking super stunning. Jimin featuring this same exact photo, I think, as what's over there. Then we have Jin, V. I love these photos, just this concept. And then we have a group photo. V again. Jin. Oh. 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 Jimin. Jungkook. Suga. RM. Are you f***ing kidding me? It looks like you. J-Hope. Oh, and then we're back to a group photo. And that completes the photo book. So that concludes this unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.